guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Coleen Hair Company. Thank you so much, Coleen Hair Company, for sponsoring this video. Guys, I'm really happy with this look. I love everything about this wig. I'm obsessed with the curls, the length, and the fact, I can't even wait to tell you all about this wig. The way I'm so excited. I'm absolutely impressed. Okay, the fact that this wig, well, number one, this wig is beginner friendly. The fact that this wig is a 5x5, it's not a frontal, relax, it's not a frontal, it is a 5x5. So meaning if you are a beginner, if you don't know anything about wigs, you can get yourself this wig and you can look this gorgeous, period. Okay, I'm really happy. The length of the wig, it is 24 inches, but honey, let me tell you, it is super long. It is really long. Look at that. I love everything about this wig, guys. It was pretty easy to define the curls. The curls, obviously, they came defined. They were nice and defined, but I had to, show you how to actually define them. If you buy this wig and you wear it a couple of times and you don't know how to define the curls, baby, all you need to do is add conditioner into your water and define the curls. That's easy. Okay, so when you are dealing with quality, this is the result you're going to get, period. Okay, so please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Coleen Hair Company. Thank you so much, Coleen Hair Company, for sponsoring this video. So guys, let's get straight into today's video. Let's just see how nice this wig is. Okay, did I tell you that it is glueless? I think I did. It is glueless. Okay. Enjoy the rest of the video. So I quickly wanted to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Coleen Hair Company. They were kind enough to send me this. I love these so much. This is a wig storage bag. I literally use this every time whenever I travel. Okay, so let's see what they sent me. So they were kind enough to send me these lashes. Ooh, 3D lashes. Love these. Look at this. They are super nice. I'm definitely wearing these ones. And they were also kind enough to send me 2 wig caps. And then the hair, oh my goodness, this is long. This is 24 inches, by the way. It is a transparent 5x5 wig, natural color. It is bohemian curl, 180% average. Okay, like the density is 180%. It is 24 inches. Period. I'm gonna be a baddie. Okay, I'm gonna look hot. I love me some good princess vibe curls. Okay, look how long this is. This is pretty long. Oh my goodness, this is actually very long. I'm telling you, this is long. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so soft. This is really soft. The lace is super soft, and this is how the wig looks. Do you see how big 5x5 lace closure is? It is absolutely big. This is huge. Okay, so it means we've got enough parting space on this wig. The wig has 3 clips, an adjustable belt, and 2 extra belts so that your wig can be secured. And I'm really excited because this wig is a 5x5 lace closure, and we are definitely not going to be using glue or your sprays and whatsoever. So meaning this wig is beginner friendly. So if you do not like laying down your wig, laying down your edges and whatsoever, do not worry. Just check the description box for more information and for direct links to purchase hair from Coleen Hair Company. They've got amazing glueless wigs, and I'm really excited. So the rest of the video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy me just putting on this wig, cutting the lace, and looking like a baddie. Okay. The wig is nice and tight. Okay, so do not worry about your wig sliding back. Okay, Coleen Hair, they've got you covered, baby. Okay, I am loving the length. It is super long. Look, It is long. It is so long. Oh my goodness, this wig is absolutely gorgeous.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man.
I'm so happy with the lace, guys. It is nice and soft. It has enough parting space, I'm telling you. This wig has enough parting space. So if you want to do a side part, you can do a side part. You can do a middle part, and you can also do a side pan from the side. Okay,
Just hold your hand once more. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. Cause we're still sleeping in my head.
guys, you can choose to leave you. It is so nice and long, and the curls are nice and soft. I'm happy, guys. You can actually choose to leave your curls like this. I love this look, you know, nice and puffy. I love this look. Or you can use water and conditioner to define your curls, which that's what we are going to do for the purpose of the video, okay? Because I'm feeling this. I am quality, period. Do you see how easy it is to actually define the curls on this wig? Oh my goodness. This is the wet look situation and this is the puffy look. So yeah, I'm happy.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions, baby. Even if I try and try too hard, nothing's ever enough. Even if I try and try too hard, tell me what to do, say anything, yeah.
Guys, guys, this is a beautiful wig. This is so beautiful. I'm so happy, guys. I'm actually going to the mall after this. I'm going to buy my skincare products, and let me tell you, I will be turning heads today. Okay, I'm going to be turning heads, period. I will be turning heads because of this wig. It is doing what it's supposed to be doing. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm impressed. Coleen Hair, thank you so much for this wig. It is absolutely out of this world. Guys, please do not forget to check the description box down below. Get yourself this wig and look like me. Okay, look how sweet. This is amazing, guys. I'm happy, guys. I'm absolutely excited. Yeah. Wow. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Coleen Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.